But I'm not going to sit here and take their videos, because it's basically just one of our videos rehashed to be worse. You know, sometimes when you're scared, you just start grabbing at shoestrings and start making bold statements. You know, that's what I feel like Better Futures is trying to do, make bold statements about something they have no idea what they're grasping at. You know, when we come to the plate, tell them the truth. We're confident in our ability to stop and go like traffic.